This is Scott Bieling from Row Brothers. I just want to let you know today at about 12 o'clock we have more supplies coming. Right now we're kind of like down to not a lot of stuff. We got some shop towels which are very durable and can be used more than once, different than your Bounty towels. But one thing we do have coming, we have bleach coming, we have Bounty towels coming, we have more shop towels. We have spray bottles, we have some Clorox spray products coming. I don't know how much. It doesn't appear like we're going to get wipes. We might, we don't know until 12 because sometimes we're surprised with a few cases. But obviously supplies are limited. We kind of want to keep it so that everybody can get some. So we're gonna probably limit quantities to one per customer. What we will do is create little packages where you can get some towels, some cleaners, and whatever we else might have in a package, and that way you can get everything you need without people taking all of my towels or all of my cleaners. And hopefully everything comes in as we expect, and hopefully everyone stays safe.